Telangana Minister CM Revanth Reddy, Deputy CM Batti Vikramarka, IT Minister Sridhar Babu, Irrigation Minister Uttam Kumar Reddy, Panchayati Raj Minister C. Dakka, Forest Minister Konda Sureka, Health Minister Damodar Rajas Narasimha, Agriculture Minister Tummala Nageshwar Rao, Revenue Minister Ponguleti Srinivas Reddy, Transport Minister Ponna Prabhakar, Excise Minister Juppalli Krishna Rao, Cinematography Kommati Reddy Venkat Reddy. Thank you.